Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Salek, founder of EzyCourse, and this is my first time in front of camera, so please pardon me. And I'm really a camera shy guy, but I'm trying my best to be connected with you guys. So let's get started. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use our widget. So let me show you. So first of all, we're going to go to the all site pages, and create a new page. Let's give a name widget test. So here we have created a widget, and the platform will redirect you to the builder page, and we will be checking how we could use and do the settings of all the widget list from the left panel. So let me go ahead and create a blank section here. So here we have dynamic widgets here. For example, here you can see the blog list and the community list, appointment, a form builder. So these are the dynamic widgets. Button, container, all those things are normal thing. So this is related to the builder, nothing dynamic here. So let me go ahead and actually show you how the dynamic widget works, and you should be using all of them when necessary. So let me just drag the blog list from here. So it will pull your blog, and you will be able to see some styling here. Some style are actually related to the card, and some are card settings. So you will be able to see something called card setting in all the widgets. And from here, you will be able to select your card style here. So for example, I can select multiple card style, and we will keep updating as much as possible. And then you can actually see or write how many blog you would like to show you. And 3 blogs here it's written, and you can sort by new and old. Perfect, right? So here we have the card settings, and this is mostly the CSS settings or the branding setting. So you can just setting your brand here and show date or not. So what color the date should be, or if you want to hide it or not. So exactly this is how it works. And yeah, so this is how it works, and you can change all the read more text as well, and it will automatically take user to the blog details page. Okay, so whenever you are working with a blog with whenever you are working with a widget, dynamic widget, you should be taking consider that all the settings are available at the left side, and you should be using all of them to design. But normally when you do this a design from scratch, you will have to use the builder available CSS things. For example, this thing will not work here because this is directly related to the builder. So this is working with the whole section. So you are not able to control whatever inside the dynamic widget, but you could control the outside here. So this is a limitation of a dynamic widget, but it's for a good reason. So let me add one more widget here, and let's say we want to add the course list from here, which is the most important one. If we drop the course list widget from the left panel, you will be able to see that we have a similar structure, card style. You can choose a different styling from the drop down here, and you have few more options: the single course to show or bundle course. We do not have a bundle course, that's why it's not available here. And if you select the single course, and then it will be available here, and you can see, okay, show me all the courses and limit to 3. So it will show you the latest 3 courses in your home page or whatever the page you are making. If you want to put specific courses, you just mention which courses you want to show, then it will be available as per your selection. Okay, now you want to customize these colors and everything here in the card background. You need to come to the card settings, then you just need to use them, and it will be reflected in all the areas here. So I make it white, and show category or not, we can just hide and make it even you can hide the meta info. So for example, you do not have a lot of enrolled students, so you might want to hide the enroll count at the beginning. So you just hide it from here, show meta info from here. So all the settings are available here. Show price and not, you have the complete flexibility here. And I will show you how we can use our own design from scratch without actually using any of the card, because let's say you do not like any of this design and you want your own version of the course list. So I will show you that as well in a moment. So this is how it works. Now let me show you another widget which is important. Let's say you are going to make landing page for a course. So you might be using the curriculum widget here. So here the curriculum widget, let me see, whenever you see something dynamic related to a specific course or specific item, you need to select the item from that left panel. So let's say I connect, okay, this one, then all the curriculum that you have made in your course creation process, then they will be available here. Okay, and you will be able to make your landing page with this curriculum here, and all the settings also available here. So hopefully you will be using this design as much as you need. Let me go ahead and see if we have anymore. Let me show you a form one, which would be using, which many of you will be using. We need to connect the form from the left side as well. So here I have few forms. I will be able to connect the form from here, and I have some settings. So the main point is that all of your dynamic widget settings available at the left side. So you have to make sure you are using everything from the left side, okay? And you can say, okay, hide the everything. And if you find at some point that we are missing any kind of settings from the left side, just let us know and we will be able to add them here for you, because it's not so much big deal here. Now in form we have few more settings. For example, after clicking submit button, you might want to show up success message in your own language, so you can actually override these things here. And if you say, okay, after completing this form, user must be redirected to another page. So what you can do is that you can redirect to any other page here, and you can actually control the button here and everything. Label color, so the label color is changing. Button background, you can actually change button background to any color. So we have those little bit settings here, and if you're missing any setting again, I'm saying that you just let us know, so we will be able to add them. Okay, so now let me go ahead and show you how you could use appointment as well here. Simply just drop it here, connect your appointment, boom, done. It's available here. It's simple and easy. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you that you do not like the course listings. Okay, yeah, let me show you another one which is very interesting actually. The certificate verification widget. So it's a certificate search. You can actually connect it here, and people can come here and actually search the certificates, and if it authorized from your website, if the ID or the email is available, then certificate will be available and people can verify the certificate right from your website. Okay, so we have those widget, and we will keep adding widget if we are missing anything. And now let me show you this most important one, all product widget, which you might have seen in your all product page. So just drop this here, and you see this is a very familiar widget you have already seen in your website. Now you could completely customize all of them. Obviously the all product text you can customize, and the courses and color of everything you should be customizing. Now let's say you do not have a private chat, physical chat, or maybe you do not want to show any of them here. So definitely you just switch all of them off. So if I switch all of them off, then it's only the courses thing. So this is how it works, and you can obviously rename your stuff here, and your category and everything will be available here. And so this is how the product all product page works. So you can have let's say this is one product page, and maybe in another page you might want to show only the community, so you just hide everything else and you just show the community. So in that case the community will be available as well here. Okay, so this is how the dynamic widget works. Now let me show you how we can completely customize something. And let's see, we want to have a widget that actually looks like a card. So we will making a fake card from here. So let's insert this one and assume these are our courses. So here we have 3 items or maybe 6 items here. You can just remove the items from the bottom one if you don't have a lot of items here. So just imagine that you have 3 courses here, and these are fake courses. You can just rewrite your title here and description here, and let's say you want to have the pricing section here, you will have to add more title here. So for example, if I want to add a heading, I just drop in a heading here and just start 999 whatever. So you just keep adding, and you just make the designing, font size, line height, everything control from here: font family, text align center left. All those things you control from the builder. Okay, now the main point is that if you would like to link this item, let's say a specific checkout page, what you have to do is that you have to click on the button, and then you will be able to see some setting for the button as well. That's called link type. So we will have to choose the checkout. If you want to point someone to a checkout page, just link to a checkout, and you select the product you want, or you want people to go to the checkout for. So if this button is connected to this product, so when people click on this button, they will be redirected to the they will be taken to the checkout page. Now if you might not want them to go to the checkout page. Instead, you might want them to go to a page, let's say landing page. So you just connect landing page and you give your landing page URL. Okay, and in that landing page you might have a lot of customization done, a lot of design done, curriculum done, and that is actually your main funnel or converting point. So yeah, this is how you can do that things, and people clicking on it will be visiting to that relevant page. Okay, so this is how the pure widget work, and you can make use of different widgets from here. So yeah, this is for all today. Thank you for watching, and please keep supporting us. Thank you.